MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Rambak Kajala Meghalaya Konrad Kesama mentaka khadsan tarik Jemang balik ban pelipat iba Buh Mawnongrim bantai yaka Indigenous Cultural Center balamang na mentaka Seng Khasi kami hapo Mawkhar Shillong East Kasils District hakan negas ngisakan mau lawan bersakilang dau sembut Menteri Rambak Kajala ba Presiden Temsong Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture ba Polengdo kinong ilam snong ba kinong ilam ka Seng Khasi laban kedua ne baga jingtai yakan nega Cultural Center lamang haga jinglut ke bankot kumba khadsan keluar tengka yaka balakular dau Menteri Rambak Kajala yakinong ilam ka Seng Khasi kami daga babu yaka thong ban ri kendong ban penek pensa bat ban peninam ru ya kadriti dustur ka culture ka niam le rekom bat kiwi ulong bagane ke building ka nomde tangga jingtei nre kan long ka jingtei ya ka jinga lenti jongki jenglong tenrai ka jaka ke bandon ka jing itu ikerti dustur ka niam le rekom ka jinge ban pasat nakwe ka pateng sakawe pat ulong ru nadu usnam arja khapra nakaliang ka sarkar kala persang bantau kilat kelenti kumno ban kersan ban yarap kentiu ban penek pensa bat ban rakhe ya ka jinglong ruspa jongi ya ka jinglong tenrai laka deh ka put ka tem na kilum jongi kaktin jokimen barim ne ka jinglong terai ka culture ka bapan itu yangi kum kirulum saka perthehi borokwe.
The members of the Seng Khasi Committee had approached the government, had met me personally, and had proposed to put up this particular Indigenous Cultural Center. And that was the beginning of the process of being able to reach this point where today we are finally laying the foundation for something which I believe is going to be truly amazing. And I say that because I am a very strong proponent when it comes to preserving the culture, preserving our way of life, preserving our history, and celebrating it. And the reason is because that is who we are. That is our identity. That is what makes us who we are and also differentiates us from others. And we are so fortunate that not just in Meghalaya and not just in the northeast part of the country, but India as a whole is such a beautiful and a diverse nation. And hence, from 2018 onwards, it has been the endeavor of our government to continue to support, provide infrastructure, have different programs in order to promote, preserve, and as I said, celebrate the culture and diversity of our state. There were certain programs that were held, rituals that were celebrated. And I remember first time visiting and realizing that there were certain rituals which were centuries old. And yet when I reached the location, there was just an open ground with not even a place to sit. And I could not imagine that for 100 years the ritual has been happening here and there is no infrastructure. Immediately after talking to all the stakeholders, we sanctioned roughly about 4.5 crores. And I'm so happy we're still not inaugurated it. I'm waiting for the inauguration. But we have a nice gallery out there, a nice space, a nice location. And I'm so happy to see that we are giving shape and structure and the necessary infrastructure for different cultural as well as important, significant aspects of the culture of our people and our state. And today's program is, as I said, another example of that effort from our side to be able to really preserve the culture of the Seng Khasi and the state as a whole, and the Khasi and other communities and tribes in the state of Meghalaya.
MeghalayaPost.news